In this tutorial you will learn how to fix the error. Your clock is ahead or your clock is behind in Windows 11 and Windows 10.
Open Start and type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Time service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Press Start the service. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type /unregister and then press Enter. Type W32TM/register and then press Enter. Type net start W32 time and then press Enter. Type W32TM/resync and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, open Start and then open Windows Settings. Open Time and Language. Enable Set Time automatically. Enable Set Time Zone automatically.